Hello friends, this is Naveed and welcome again to a very informative vlog. Friends, if you're planning to apply a master program in Sweden, let me tell you that Sweden has a very centralized application system. All you need is to go to universityadmission.sc website. There you can apply different universities at once. This means that you don't have to apply university by university separately. Friends, now it's the time to go to university admission portal. I'm going to write university admission in Sweden. As we can see that there is an option of universityadmission.sc, so I'm going to click onto it. Here comes the official portal for university admission in Sweden. As you can see, apply to courses and programs in all of Sweden. All of the Swedish universities are registered in this portal, so you can apply to any university from this portal. Down here you can see there are two different admission rounds, spring and autumn. Friends, while applying to Sweden, keep in mind that autumn round is considered good for those who want to apply from non-European countries and to those who need visa to enter to Sweden. And spring round is considered good for those who want to apply from within the Sweden and from European Union that do not need any visa to enter to Sweden. Friends, we have seen that there are two admission rounds for Sweden, spring and autumn. Now I'm going to write my keywords in the keywords area, like I'm looking for programs and courses in the management field. So I'm going to write management in the keywords area. I'm selecting autumn round and I'm going to write management in keywords area so that we can find some courses and programs in management field. Down here on the left side, you can filter your search. I have selected programs. You can choose your universities as well, whatever university you want to. You can choose your subject area also. I'm not going to choose anything. I have selected master program here. In this way, we can filter our search very easily. We have selected autumn and management, and we can see that there are different universities offering different programs. However, these programs are not opened yet, since this yellow color indicates that these programs are not opened yet, but these will open very soon. Since autumn round starts by 17th of October every year. As soon as the autumn round starts, this yellow color turns into green. Now I'm going to shift to spring so that we can find some courses and programs in the spring round. Here we can see this color becomes green. So it means that these programs are available. Here we can see that the application period is from 1st June to 15th of August. Let me show you this program. The semester fees for this program is 67,500 SEK and the program fees is 135,000 SEK. So this is about tuition fees of this program. This program is offering by Dalarna University in their Borlänge campus. It's a 60 credit hours program. So it means that it's a 1 year program. Keep in mind that always go for a 2 year program because this 60 credit course is a 1 year course and that will not allow you to get a personal number. However, 2 year program will allow you to get a personal number, and with that personal number you can apply for a job and you can have a bank account in any part of Sweden. It's very important to go for a 2 year program that allow you to have 120 credit hours instead of 60 credit hours. So this is business intelligence, that is a master program, and down here we can see that it's a 1 year program and the 15th January is the starting date. It's a master level program and the language of instruction is English. This is an application code for this program, and don't forget that this code can be asked when you are sitting in a visa interview at Swedish Embassy. Teaching farm for this program is on campus, pace of study is full time, instruction time is daytime, and it is available in Borlänge campus of Dalarna University. Moreover, you can go to university website to find out more detail about this program and if you want to apply for a scholarship. We have four programs here. Friends, I'm going to select these programs one by one just to show you that how you can select different programs through this portal. Now I'm going to select my selection so that I can show you how many courses and programs we have selected. You can see that we have selected four programs. On the top right corner, we can see here is menu bar. So here you can search for different things: courses, key dates and deadlines, entry requirements, masters, apply to bachelor's, selection and admission, scholarship, everything. Firstly, we can click on key dates and deadlines so that you can have a good idea that what are the deadlines to apply in different semester. I'm going to select autumn semester, so the key dates are here. Friends, this section is very important. As you can see that there are different dates for different things. You can have a better idea that when the application round starts, what will be the last date to apply, what will be the last date to submit your fees and supporting documents, when the application result announce. So everything is available here. These were the dates of first round, means autumn semester. Now we can see the second round means spring semester. So here are the details of the spring semester, the second round. Now it's time to go back to our selection, and once we are done with the selection, we can start application. Moreover, you can remove and add any program from this selection area. Friends, let's start application. We have selected four programs here. Before starting application, we can see there are few steps. What are those steps? Prioritize your selection, submit application, and then confirmation. Selecting priority is a very important step. You have to make sure that on the top there should be a program where you are 100% sure that you will get admission in that program. It is very important for scholarship as well, because most of the universities want their program on the top, on the priority, to offer you a university scholarship. Friends, I have selected four programs in order to show you how you can prioritize your program and how you can shift with the help of these arrows. Let's say Master in Business Studies, we are going to shift it to first priority. So now you can see it is shifted to first priority. Now I'm going to shift Business Intelligence, that's a master program, to the third priority. So I'm shifting this program to the third priority. So with the help of this arrow, I can shift this program very easily. It is as simple as you can see that it is been shifted to the third position. So priority setting is not a problem. At the same time, it's very important as well, because while they are giving you admission, they go for the first rank, and if you are not qualified, then they will consider the second priority, and so on. Here we need to answer a question that my university qualifications are from. So in my case, I can say Sweden, or maybe I can say Pakistan. So I would select Pakistan. If you have your qualification from India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, you can select from this. And now we can see that we have four programs: Master in Business Studies, and then Master Program in Food and Meal Science, Business Intelligence, that's a master program, Master Program in Food and Meal. Friends, now it's the time to submit the application. But before that, you need to make sure that you have selected the right programs. Just double check that what are the programs you have selected, and the last step is just to submit. Friends, it's very simple and easy process of applying master program in Sweden, and you can apply by your own. No need of getting any help from any consultant or agent. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will help you to understand the application process for Sweden.